Hi, this is the video of the Step 190 syllabus. My name is Hyun-Joo Kim, and your instructor, Dr. Alberts, will also help us by providing some video lectures. Let me share the screen. If you're watching this video, that means you already have access to D12. Under content, you will find the start here. And here are the syllabus. And here is the syllabus video that you are watching. If you click the syllabus, you should be able to find the whole syllabus document here. I strongly encourage you to read through the syllabus. In this video, I will just emphasize some important aspects of the class. On the syllabus, you can find my contact information. Since this is an online course, I expect our communication is mainly in email or Zoom. But if you are in town, I will be happy to meet with you in person. Just let me know. Shoot me an email. The class is asynchronous, so all necessary material, including the video lectures and assignments and exams, are all available on D2L and via my stat lab, which we'll talk about in a little bit. Note that Truman is in the process of moving our learning system from Blackboard to D12. We're trying to move everything as quickly as possible. But if you hear or see Blackboard during the course, you can just automatically assume that we are talking about our new learning system, D2L. To enhance our learning experience, we'll have a Zoom meeting twice a week, Tuesday and Thursday from 6 to 7 p.m. For each meeting, agenda will be available on their meetings. So if you go back to content area, so here's the meeting link. So if you click there, we'll actually have agenda for each meeting you can find. Okay. There will be a participation points for each meeting, 12 participation and 10 points each. This is a component of weekly Zoom meeting. You can expect the participation will be mostly done during the meeting. However, I also understand that not everybody can make this time every single time. If you cannot make any of these meetings or some of these meetings, you can still get a full credit by submitting the participation activities, which will be available on their meeting by the due date. So you should be able to participate things if you click there. Except for the exam, everything will be due by at the end of the day, which means 11:59 p.m. Of the due date for simplicity. I mean, obviously, exam will only have an hour and a half time period. Office hours are Tuesday and Thursday, 4 to 6 p.m. If you just want to hop on this Zoom, there's a Zoom link. I'll go back to syllabus. Okay, there's a Zoom link. And ask questions. Sometimes I forgot to turn the Zoom on. Shoot me a quick email if you hop on the Zoom and if I'm not there, and I will just hop on the Zoom. If you need to talk to me another time, also shoot me an email and then we can arrange some other time to meet. Our very first meeting will be June 6th, Tuesday at 6 p.m. Please give your best effort to be there. Let's go back to D12. Again, under the start here, you will see some basic information, including syllabus and the syllabus video. And there is Pearson LTI, which is the link to your homework and exam. There's a StatCrunch link, the statistical software we will be using during this class. There is a textbook data set link, and also class survey data, which is already collected data from other classes, but we're going to use this data multiple times during the class. So you can find the link here. You only need the syllabus link and the syllabus video link for now. And these other links will be there when we use it, but it is also available here with other useful links. A couple things to start. On day one, you will be setting up the Pearson account. So setting up Pearson account, you will introduce yourself as well. And then you're going to set up the Pearson account where you have to purchase the textbook and the access to My Stat Lab. Click the link instruction, and it will show you how you can get the access step by step. Once you set up Pearson LTI link, it will actually take you to My Stat Lab directly, where you can find assignments and exams. There is also a link for data collection for the project. So you will collect your own temperature and time spent for the class during this summer, and use this data for your project. You'll be sharing this data with me later in the course as well. So here, if you click this link, will take you to this format. You want to actually make a copy of this. So you make a copy of that and then start to record your own data. It has a date and time. You're submitting this, you're recording this information. And the main thing is temperature and the study time. Okay. For day two, we will be actually starting our basic statistics content. For each chapter, you will see that there's a short introduction of the chapter, class note, and multiple short videos, lecture videos, and assignment. Class note includes blanks on purpose. You want to print the note before you start to watch the video. I strongly encourage you to actually make a printout of the student note and fill the blank while you watch the lecture video. This is a great way to learn the material, to write those important words down on your own paper. The assignment needs to be done at My Stat Lab. If you click the assignment link here, it will take you to the Pearson website. Once you have the Pearson access, you should be able to access My Stat Lab, My Lab Stat, or all assignments. Day 3 is a little special day. We call that Special Lab Day. We'll go through Excel, Google Sheet, and StatCrunch Lab. These basic labs, especially Google Sheet and StatCrunch, will be very useful later in the class. Let's go back to our syllabus. Summer Stat 190 is intensive because we are learning everything in 8 weeks, not 16 weeks. I strongly encourage you to set 3 to 4 hours a day, 5 days a week aside on average for this class, and keep up with the daily plan and assignment. If you're behind, this will be quite challenging to catch up. Make sure that you do your best to keep up with the actual schedule. there is a textbook information and the material. And you will need to purchase the textbook and the code to the Pearson My Stat Lab. You will need a calculator. You don't need an expensive calculator, but you need a calculator that has a combination, something like this. I mean, it's cheap calculator, but it's actually combination and permutation option. And you will collect your daily temperature through the summer session and analyze it. That's a part of your project, number 1 and number 2. Please purchase a thermometer if you don't have one already. The daily schedule is important. You can submit the late homework, but 10% of your grade will be automatically deducted from each day you are late. There are 2 projects and 4 exams. The exams are on every other Thursday. So week 2, 4, 6, and 8. All exams will be given on Thursday at 6 to 7:30 p.m., our regular Zoom meeting time. If you cannot make this, then the alternative time is the next day on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Please let me know as soon as possible if you need to take exam on Friday, so that I can arrange it. I need to actually do something special in the D12, the Stat Lab, my Stat Lab. I'll proctor while you're taking the exam through Zoom. All our tests are open book and open note. So you can pretty much have all the resources you want, except you cannot talk to other people. Here is, so make sure that during the exam, you are also connected in the Zoom, you're in the Zoom, so that I can actually see you on taking the exam. Here is the grading information. And here is the day-by-day schedule. So there are some other information, very important information in the syllabus, but I will let you actually read the rest of the syllabus on your own. Let me know if you have any question. Email works great, and you can stop by my Zoom office hour or just contact me and then we can arrange the time we can meet. Okay, this is the review of the syllabus, and welcome aboard.